So we start off today's video with the styling of this beautiful pixie. She's doing like a spiked up textured mohawk shape for this one. Very pretty. And then we see someone styling their bob. So she's basically putting in some beautiful wand curls for this look, really creating a gorgeous tousled effect. Hello everyone! So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more styling of short hairstyles, bobs, pixies, and everything in between. So if you've been looking for some new ways to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have Sophie Hannah styling her bob. So she's rocking the split dye trend for this look, blonde on one side, blue on the other. I've always been such a fan of her style. So she's actually rocking the flipped under trend and putting on a headband. Very cute. I am also loving that lip color. Very curious about what lip brand and shade that is. So then we have another styling of a bob. She's wearing more of like a sleek back kind of look. And then she's showing us several different accessories that you can rock with this particular bob cut. Next up, we have the styling of this pixie undercut. So she's going to be adding in some waves here with the flat iron, really creating a nice textured look. And if your hair is on the longer side, you can also try out this style as well, using the same kind of flicking motion in order to rotate the flat iron around to create those beautiful waves. Very pretty. So next up we have someone with really pretty curly hair. And if you do have curly hair and you haven't seen my curly hair video, definitely check it out. We see some of the hottest haircut trends that you can rock. So she penned and twisted the hair on each side. and then put the hair into a simple ponytail. Nice, chic, and simple look. Next up, we once again see the styling of a pixie. So she's using the round brush in order to do a blowout, creating lots of volume within this pixie style. I really like the overall shape and texture that this has. It's more of like an asymmetrical cut. Very pretty. So here we once again see the styling of that undercut style. And this time she's going to be doing like some rubber band twist. Really like the twist that she does with this, because you would never think that you would be able to wear rubber bands with your hair being so short, but she manages to make it work. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured within today's video and you were able to find some major hair inspiration. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.